ba't ba nag-umpisa to at ba't ba nangyari yung May 13? Can you show the video kung anong ginawa sa ating empleyado? Madam President, can I have permission? This is a very short video. It's of public record. I just like, and I want to honor Senator Migs kasi siya tumayo at sinabi yung ginawa kay Terence Lim ay hindi tama. But I didn't know na ganito pala ang problema. Wag na yung buong video ng buong pangyayari ng May 11. Yun lang pong ginawa kay Terence Lim. Oh, before that, baksak na siya dyan eh. Before that, yung palabas pa lang. Madam Chair, may I ask, kahit na naghalo yung video, but yung yung palabas pa lang. Okay, can you I will say what it is, but can you show the video yung from the start, yung nanggagaling sa loob? Okay, so what happened is that we ordered, arrested, because they're held in contempt, yung mga NBI agents who nakipaghabulan kay Senator Bato. When they were leaving the building, nagtutulakan, kinuha ng mga taga-NBI at ginulpe si Terence Lim.
Just to clarify so that everyone knows, Terence Lim is Senate Security.
Is Senate OSA, our employee.
Yes.
At yung isang taga-OSA naman ay hinarangan at tinabayhan ng isang taga-NBI. Nung gulpe at dapa na siya, lalo pang ginulpe, ayaw siyang palapitan sa medical. At nung siya'y binuhat, dinadala siya at pinosasan at dadalin siya sa sasakyan ng NBI para dalhin sa NBI. Okay? That's inside our premises. Have I heard anyone say that the dignity of the Senate is at stake here because the NBI ay nanggulpe sa loob ng ating premises, ayaw sumunod sa order ng Senate President at tinatakot pa ang ibang OSA at isasakay sa kotse at dadalhin sa NBI. Isa lang po sa minority ang narinig ko po. Si Mig Subiri, former Senate President. Did you ever hear me say anything about that? No. Because we're all waiting for the independent investigation. Do you have the video para kitang-kita? Okay. Guys, kanina ko pa sinasabi, excuse me, Madam President.
We have the video.
Can you show the whole video? Kahit yung
Yes.
yung palabas pa lang, kahit na sabihin yung hindi kitang-kita siya doon.
Mula sa simula, please, yung video.
Yung palabas pa lang sila Terence doon sa harap.
Who's in charge of the video? Oh. Yes, may we request
While they're preparing it, Madam
the
Chair,
technical to show the video
this is
from the
what
start.
will set the tone of why our OSA was on high alert on Tuesday and Wednesday. And that is why they were wearing vests, and that is why they had to have weapons. Because the NBI was treating the Senate like a palengke. Oh, ayan, is that it?
The person in white on the ground is Terence Lim, OSA,
And all those who are holding, and all those holding them back are NBI. Yung NBI pa ang pumipigil. Ang pulis nakatingin lang. Yeah, continue the video. Show the whole video, yung hanggang binitbit sa kotse. O kaya yung CCTV. Hindi pa nakita nung maraming senador to. Madam Chair, that's one reason na hindi ko sinisisi yung iba sa minority. Kasi ako mismo, hindi ko nakita yung buong, yung buong video. That's why I have communicated to everyone, including to the NBI. Mag-inhibit sila, tapusin natin ng buong buo yung investigasyon para makita natin kahit yung yung CCTV muna. But the point is, Madam Chair, paglabas pa lang dinukot siya, ginulpe, ayaw palapitan sa medical. Isipin niyo po sa loob ng sarili nating remember, Madam President, this is not a department. We're not the DOJ, the DOLE, DSWD. We are a branch of government. The Constitution says we are a co-equal branch. Ang USAA ba pwedeng manggulpe sa loob ng Malacanang? Ang USAA ba pwedeng manggulpe sa loob ng Supreme Court? Pero ba narinig ko yung dignity natin, NURAC? Yung ating dignity ay giniba dahil sa NBI? Wala po eh. Si Alang Cayetano pa rin ang pinagbibintangan nyo. Bakit ako ba nang gulpi dyan? Hindi po ako ang pumayag. If you see the video, more than 20 agents of the NBI were allowed in on May 11. And we already napagtagpi-tagpi. The OSAA then and the SecGen were meeting. They even inspected the helipad and all parts kung saan pwesto yung mga NBI. So again, at this point, I'm not making a conclusion. At this point, I'm not pointing fingers. So let me move to the last point. Moving on, moving forward. Do you have the video ba? Pinakita nyo na kanina yung CCTV. O yan, palabas pa lang. O yan.
Ilakas mo kamay mo! Labas! Narinig ko! Narinig ko, hindi ako makahiya! Ilakas mo kasi kamay mo!
Binubugbog si Terence Lim na OSAA Senate employee.
Binubugbog ng NBI sa loob ng Senate premises. At nung binugbog na, ayaw pandalin sa medical. Ayan, nakatayo na. Oh. Footage ng GMA yan. May footage din na. Dinadala sa kotse ng NBI. Pwede ba yung USAA na kunin ang taga-PSG at isakay ng sasakyan ng Senate at kunin sa Malacanang? Pwede ba yung USAA pumasok ng Supreme Court at kunin yung isang security ng Supreme Court at isakay? Yan, pinusasan, isasakay sa sasakyan ng NBI. Tingnan nyo sa kaliwa, yung mga taga-NBI, pinipigilan yung ibang USAA na tulungan si Terence.
Pinagtulungan ang isang Senate Security OSAA Terence Lim ng mga taong allegedly, I'm not sure who they are, within Senate premises na nambugbog. Yung punot dulo nito ay hindi tayo sigurado kung ano ang kanilang gustong gawin.
Madam President, I am 1,000% sure, 10 times over 100% sure, that hindi to inauthorize ni Senate President Soto. In fact, when this happened, ako na ang Senate President. So I'm also 1,000%